Good morning, everyone. Today is September 22, 2021. Time is 9:52 a.m. Central Time, Texas time. Uh, Central Time. Sorry, guys, it's too early for this. It's been a super long weekend. Um, we have they find a new solution for the MKSD4, more simpler, and it will keep unlocking your device with MKSD4 as long as the Gaby Pro as well. This is the process that we found. For this process, it was the same as the Gaby Pro. You must need to have a AT&T SIM card. It can be active. It can be an old SIM card. It can be inactive. As long as you have a AT&T SIM card, okay? And I'm trying to do the unlock for my Spectrum Mobile. And this iPhone, it is an iPhone XR from Sprint, block to Sprint. And I'm trying to use my Spectrum. And as you can see, please update to iOS 15 in order to have a success unlock. If you do not update to iOS 15, well, you will get SIM not supported. There's going to be 3 reasons why you get SIM not supported. Number 1, you did not put the correct ICC ID. Number 2, the ICC ID is no longer active and you need to go to my website and get a new one. Or number 3, you're not updated to iOS 15. Remember, this only is for iOS 15 only. If you are running iOS 14.8, please update before you do anything. Okay, so there you go, guys. SIM not supported. I put my Spectrum device, my Spectrum SIM card, and like I said, my phone, it is updated to iOS 15, and my phone is SIM locked. Here's the restriction, and I'm gonna take my Gaby Pro, and I already attached my MKSD4 to my AT&T. It's really easy to do. You just peel off the little gold stickers that is on the back of your MKSD4, and it has the same shape or your SIM card where it's going to be attached. So it's supposed to be like this. Okay, so this is original. This is how they come. So you just need to peel off the little gold sticker on the back and you attach it to your SIM card. Okay, so let's begin then. So I already attached my SIM card and I'm going to put it in. Before we do that, let me take it back. I'm gonna go to my website because I need my ICC ID. So you can type, you just can go to Google, type DJs. There you go, DJs shop store. Sorry, guys. It's gonna appear that that's my Instagram, and then you can scrolling down. There is my website and my Amazon store. You're just gonna click on my website, and here is the latest ICC ID. I'm just gonna copy, and now I'm gonna put my I'm waiting for the activation screen, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get SIM not supported because the ICC ID is not working or it's not the same. So I'm gonna take this out. So watch what I'm going to do. Very carefully deattach. Very carefully because this can get damaged really easily. Deattach. And then I'm gonna put it on my Spectrum Mobile. And that's why I do this kind of a test. Anything can happen. So if something happened to it, I just need the menu to pop up again so I can I can do the process. So there we go. You just need the menu from the MKSD4. That's all I need. There you go. I need this menu. In this case, I'm gonna hit edit ICC ID. This is the one that comes with the MKSD4. I don't need it. I'm gonna delete it, and then I'm gonna paste the one I copied from my website, ending 0503. I'm gonna hit send. Okay, WhatsApp. As you can see, it's picking up the signal. So hopefully it let us unlock it with a different SIM card other than AT&T. This, see, there you go. Just the problem, you see the sign, just try it again. Just go back, continue. In my case, I did get SIM not supported because I did use a different ICC ID and I put the new one, but because we are not using an AT&T SIM card, this is going to happen, SIM not supported. Okay, no problem. Now that we know our problem, I'll hit continue again. Here, I'm gonna come back very carefully. These are not designed to be reused like what I'm doing right now, but if you are very careful, you can make it work. Please be very gentle. And then I'm gonna attach it to my AT&T. And like I said, it has the same shape and you have to take your time. Please don't rush it, take your time. Okay, so I attach it to my, there we go, to my AT&T. And I'm gonna go back and I'm to my website. I'm gonna copy the ICC ID, put it in. And remember, I only need the menu from the MKSD4. That's all I need. There you go. I'm gonna hit edit. And here's the one ending 0503 once again. I'm just gonna delete it anyway because I copy it and it's still the same. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit send, accept. I'm gonna swipe up. I'm gonna continue. Remember, with the Spectrum SIM card attached to the MKSD4, it gave a SIM not supported. This is why you need an AT&T SIM card. There you go, guys. My phone has been unlocked, and not only that, go to settings. Let me close settings so it can be refreshed. There you go. Go back to settings. Go about. Make sure you update to iOS 15 before you even planning to unlock it. And if you scroll down a little bit more, it says SIM not restrictions. Okay, now that I know that my ICC ID, it is working, that is the correct one, I'm gonna put this on the side. And I'm gonna bring my Spectrum. I'm gonna wait for the signal. So if you have any chip from AT&T, an old one, active one, it don't matter. You just needed to do the unlock. I'm gonna turn off the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna make a test call.
Welcome to
Spectrum Mobile. Refresh my website. There you go. Unfortunately, they're also working for the smart cards. Those are really simple to use, but you can get the MKSD4 here on my website or the GB Pro. Anything you need is on my website. Basically, if you follow the steps, step by step, you shouldn't have any problems. But yeah, but people that has an AT&T iPhone originally from AT&T, the process it's a little bit different. We have not the process 100% yet. They're still working on it because we are using an AT&T SIM card. It's a mess. But sometimes if you do the same process as what we did, and you put any carrier or you like, you might get SIM not supported, or it might go through, it might unlock your iPhone, but it won't display no SIM restrictions. It will display SIM lock, but you will be able to use your phone like you regularly do, but you're not able to take it out. So just be aware of that. Uh, they're working on it. As soon as I know anything, as soon as I know something sure, like it's working 100% for AT&T iPhones, I will be posting a new video for that, okay? But for the meantime, any iPhone from other carrier other than AT&T, this is the process, okay? Only AT&T iPhones are the one having problems, and they are looking for a solution. Okay, bye.